everyone, and welcome to day 3 of the Sunflower Seams Cinnamon Sew Along. Today we will be tackling steps 10 through 16. If you are choosing to add batting to your stocking, then the next 2 steps are applicable to you. You will want to take your front main and your back main and lay it on top of the batting. Cut around the stocking, leaving a slight edge of batting extending past the edge of the stocking. Once you have done that, you will want to safety pin or use basting spray to keep your stocking secure on the batting. After that, you will want to quilt the way that you desire, or if you're not looking to quilt, then you will want to stitch in the ditch along the toe piece, the heel, and if you are creating the animal face, along the seam of the animal face and main stocking meeting spot. You will then want to baste around the entirety of your stocking, and you will repeat that for the back main as well. If you are not creating the dog stocking, then you are done for day 3. For steps 12 through 16, we will be creating the dog ears. You will want to take the main part of your dog ear that has your spots and lay it on top of your batting and secure it with either safety pins or basting spray. Then you will want to quilt along your ear however you desire. Next, take the back of your ear and lay it on top of your ear and pin in place. You will then want to sew starting at the top around the curved edge, around the curved bottom, and back up, leaving this top straight edge unsewn. You will want to trim away 1/2 of your seam allowance and clip your curves. Turn the ear inside out and give it a really good press. Now I know this is not the dog stocking, but I need you to use your imagination just for this tutorial. You will want to take your ear and put it on the side that it is meant for, and this is the right ear. So on the right side, you will measure 1/2 inch from the edge of the stocking, not the batting, and line it up. So one edge from the right side of the stocking and line it up with the raw top edge of the stocking and then baste in place. And you will repeat it for the second ear on the left-hand side, 1/2 inch from the left side, aligned on the top raw edge. And you have just completed day 3 of the Sunflower Seams Sew Along. Join us tomorrow for day 4.